Drunk crowd. You don't know why me always have to break my concentration with drunk crowd all the while. Drunk crowd. Allow me for bex. Me as a Jamaican me bex. Allow me for bex. Because you see one time, you see them a thief, nothing for way. You glad. Because you well want to be foreign eyes and Yankee eyes and Canada eyes and fucking England eyes. So you blood clot glad when you see them a take one with blood clot sitting them. You don't see so we can't rap. You don't think we can go in a fucking R&B? Go do what? You don't see bless I try. Every minute she sing sitting with the blood clot Yankee them she flap. Every fucking sing she sing with them. But make one Yankee take up we and put on the trap. He sell millions, sometimes trillions, good drink, and blood clot popcorn. All know, popcorn can't get a blood clot mainstream hit song for yourself. Him have it there alongside drink and him blood clot brief. Him have it there so. You see Prettii? But no, as you can see, say then a blood clot rate. So what are you going to do now? What are you going to do now? This is past spice, you know. He can't wait till one nation of people will not violate bad man. You see me? We're not going to get soda, DG, being bumbo clad. Somebody need to find soldier inbox and send this for them. None of we are Jamaican are glad for you. Go suck your mother. You see when you are DJ, you don't know nothing about it. Go suck out your parents. You don't make sure on the screen you got this and send go give. Dog, go suck out to no mother. We don't support none of you. One time I go underneath on the blood clot comment section and be a Brazil flag and be a blood clot. I can't read Spanish, so I don't know what I say. You see me, I say I barely can't even fucking put together what really I say in the English language, much less. If you go take up blood clot Spanish for me head before. You see me? When me look, me say me bumbo clot. Where you come from? You come like ticks in a body hole. You go find on one style, man. Go find on one a blood clot style. People are talking about reggae is genre music. No! Bob Marley tell us reggae is a way of life. It's a Jamaican way of life. The natural mystic we blow through with blood clot ear. You ever smell a natural ear of her in your thinking white boy? Eh? You ever smell a natural mystic a blow through this yet? Now be a thinking engine oil and blood clot garbage on the roadside, you see me? Boy! Eh? The natural mystic where blood clot Bob sing about it in a Jamaica, a few one. Where you take up a sing out of your little white mouth, everything gonna beat you and take. You don't want to see horror wax with nothing. As the horror wax they have nothing you come for. You don't come like Christopher Columbus, I see him saying they look like one. Dirty thief in Christopher Columbus. Come down an excavator. Same fine after we as the horror wax they did it already. What you do? Beat we as the horror wax there. Tell me if you got cut key. And thief off the whole of with jewelry off of with blood clot island. Oh no, a pirate. Oh no, a culture vulture. Oh no, some pirate. Oh no, the worst blood clotting. And a big up we a blood clot. But big up on the stinking mama. And go ban back. Because you born in a wrong place and I take up sitting and I buy out sitting what you don't know about. You don't know nothing about reggae music. How reggae music start. The only thing you can say, big up Jamaica for reggae music. Go suck your mother. Jamaica big up you. We don't even know you. We know you. Go suck and jump up in your think, mama. Pussy hole. You tell me you did that big wave, you should have known. We don't rate to know. We never listen to no blood clot music. Go suck we out. All out the way that the band there. White no bomb clot to look like garland shit. Garland blood clot shit. I'm not going to talk about reggae. You don't know nothing about reggae. What is reggae? Eh? Someone who can't even spell blood clot reggae. Eh? Oh you want to hear the man that look a fucker song them? Oh, you know if you beat Grumps Morgan? You don't know nothing about Morgan heritage? Them the white boy that we hear sing all over Bob Marley sang them. You know some pirate? How now win all how hard for be blood clot pirate? You know white with locks on the thing for you see them? We are not the blood clot save don't make the out of many one people fool you. A fuck white boy come down, they come fuck black girl. Why we have out a many one people? I want set the dead and not the arrow wax them. I want to come down there, I want to beat blood clot, we have fuck off with girl them. And give with China pitney, white pitney, all kind of blood clot pitney, so we have out a many one people. Because suck on no mother. We don't walk up and down with white people in our country. Go back up Belize or Brazil or wherever the fuck you come from, Neymar. You don't go back up there. You don't go play a football, pussy hole. You don't see we take a football for we blood clot and we know, so we no good. Because we lose every blood clot time. You know, see we tap. Low with, hey, go suck on no matter low man. You don't can't sing to we here. You don't know nothing about the poverty where we have got through a blood clot yard. Pussy hole. You don't grew up and washing a laundry, man. You never rinse out 2 jars with an on yet. You can't sing about reggae. You don't go sing about you not thinking, mama. Go sing about you not thinking dirty, dry pussy, raise the front, mama. That dead girl there, if you go sing about. Let go Bob Marley shirt. Let go Jamaica shirt. We broke and have nothing. We could go get it for ourselves. White boy, go suck on the mother. On the rich have on the blood clot money up here, so come off of we culture. But blood clot big up Jamaica. Suck on the mother. We don't want to big up for her. Go suck on the mother. No. More no mind somebody can make you understand how we feel. Don't just soda, fodder or powder. Me don't give a fuck what no one name. Go suck out to no mother my father. Me never hear about you a day in my life. I'm sorry me hear about blood clot you know. When me go listen to a song them, you know sound like country and western people and sing from blood clot reggae rhythm. Oh man. Jesus Christ. Racism gone to the dogs in the father. And with them a pig pan now. The boy them want me to with whip for years to bumbo clad. And now the boy them come over here and the thief thing them. Even they through the season they can't lick with no more whipping a dog. And through the season they can't lick with no more whipping a pussy. But here I'm just emotional. The boy them thief all the culture father. The boy brother, I wish you can find them killing a dog, man. Hey, boy, remember telling you this, you know. Yo, I mean, alone hurt, but oh, you have to be Grumps, Morgan. With a Morgan heritage, that youth. Jesus Christ. You must be Morgan heritage, dog. Them the one, they're legend, you know, with Jesus Christ. Grumps Morgan, father. Even they didn't want to know. Grumps Morgan born up here. We don't rob him and call for them. Drunk crop. Grumps Morgan a Yankee. I want to TV can give you wrong, man. When you could just give Grumps. Because Grumps born up here. And what do you Grumps get you? Grumps. And what do you Grumps get in papers? Grumps, me know you shouldn't do it. And that Grumps know I fuck up himself in the dog. It's when Grumps go give it. Jesus Christ. Grumps. Grumps, they make some white boy be. I feel loving. Morgan everything. Everybody know Morgan everything. Father God. Yo, people are bad. Grumps. Then give it to the white boy. The white boy them take everything and we kill them. What do you look to Bumbo glad? How be a white boy a fuck that girl daddy? But I know ambitious dirty girl. Me tired of it. If you do want to shame me, Father God, dirty girl on the night of shame us. Feel alert one night time, I back all heart over here. When you look, the boy them a sing like we. Them a fuck like we, I don't still on yam be a pussy. On a white boy, I pay a pussy on yam. Real Rasta no suck pussy. Really? Real Rasta? Eat it. But you can't beat Grumps. I know you don't idolize Grumps Morgan them. Morgan heritage. You understand what I say? Me know how to idolize. Father God, tell me see I like this. You can't beat Grumps Morgan. Suck on the mother. I'm telling you the truth, God. Spice, Blue Nation, we need earth. Bless me here. You underneath when I sit in them I could talk about how could you do this? Bitch, move. I'm gonna sit down. Who else? Nobody call you? Nobody not call you. No call. When the reggae category I call, for your fucking name never call, but you want nothing. You see me? Shut the fuck up. Most of the little Jamaican artists will never in a fucking race. Shut up. Shut the fuck up. All of we lose. All of we blood clot lose and all of we hurt at this point. You understand me I say? Because some white boy beat Grumps them. White boy beat Grumps, Sean Paul. All I big name them. You see? You remember the album where you did take up yourself, bless, boy, you got the rap album, it will never go into the rap category, you lose. Your album will go right into the reggae category and you lose to Coffee. You already lose to Coffee because you sell more than you already. And Coffee, do it by your blood class, you never need 43 Savage, none of them are blood class. None of the songs them for your album no hit. Liquor get sued. All of them, so you see, you gone, you run up in the Yankee them and flop. And see it? Coffee never run up in nobody. And Coffee they are number 9 on the UK chart. Make that be a fucking history, mama, make. History, she blood clot, make. History. His fucking tree. History. Because she never run up in none of them dirty Yankee. One Yankee should do a song with and he never make no fucking album. And that a win with Gunna. But when you look for your album, a be a rap song, because you swear think you are going a blood clot rap category. You think say them this, what you just put white people in a reggae category, you will never go in the blood clot rap category. In your life, you are going to always stay in the reggae category. Always. And that's how you are going to wait until Grammy next year and you see. If your album called for Grammy, you are going to see which part it go. Right in the blood clot reggae category. And when you look at your reggae album, be a rap. When me listen to your album to blood clot, me think of Def Jam. Me say Ross Clot, could Def Jam. Be a Def Jam. Now you look, because you feel like say Grammy, I go do what them do to them. No, and we alone them do that too. White people can't go win Grammy in a few genre music, but we can't go win no Grammy in a feed them blood clot journal. They would have never give a hip hop blood clot Grammy in your life. Never. No Jamaican don't know what that blood clot feel like. For win the best hip hop of the year, best rap album of the year, best blood clot new coming rap artist. Never. The only thing we ever go win a blood clot reggae. Reggae album of the year and that's it. That's it. If your blood clot make it, you make it. If you not make it, you suck. But that's all they look for we as. But when you're looking at for with blood clot journal, you see white man, you see Chinese man, you see man from Ray, you see man from Tay. But we, anybody can come in and fill with blood clot category can win that. Them a win over the Jamaican them. You think so them a blood clot giving a winnings over for them people them? No! Because they hate win a bumbo clot. But every day when you get up all you bless me you can talk the other day. That's what Americans don't like y'all. Y'all to bitch. You think you're gonna ever be American? You are them too. You are okay. Alright, Yankee. You will never be a Yankee. Ever in your blood clot life. All if you get green card, yes sir. All if you get citizenship, yes sir. You will never be American. And they would have never given none without the blood clot privilege there yet. But Yankee get to get our privilege. Yankee get to win dancehall artist. Yankee get to win reggae album. Yankee get to win everything in a reggae. You think we can go over there to go win nothing? Eh? Look how much feature. Who no claim to say no have for reggae this, reggae that. No, get no blood clot Grammy. Because of one place, they want to give blood clot Jamaicans Grammy and I in the fucking reggae part. You see me? But you run them down every blood clot there. So till you can see as a white boy, about 7 white boy, Missy go up on a stage last night, go take a Grammy for best reggae. When that can ever happen? Missy blood clot bless sing Bless, 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 bless with Tiger. Never ever crack it top 10 and know it. All know you not get a Grammy feed. You do one with this, you one there, do one. And then now look for it. No matter how you go over there, you claim to say you jump up and down with them. They not give you blood clot, nothing. The other day you have the whole of them for your album and not one of them push your album. Not one of them tell people to go buy it. So you can have a poor sales with beer at wrap up on your blood clot album. You shouldn't shame. You shouldn't shame. Because when me put them on the album for sell off. Right? If me put 5 wrap up on my album, Ratty. Not because I want it to sell off. And show me no say, when I go say, yo, when I go get Shenseea album, nigga, you feel me? A nigga on there doing some raw shit, you feel me? None of that you no blood clot get. Then do song gear and you have to go mash up blood clot road. You have to go put your face for all kind of blood clot van for drive road. Kinda like none of them will help your blood clot push it. So what? You have one album full of Yankee and it flop. You don't expect that? One album full of Yankee and it flop like a bumbo clot. Flop! So till all you shame and no want talk. You never know say one album full of Yankee so easy would have flopped so big. So big! Not even 1,000 are selling at the first week. With beer wrap up on it. And you see them a little blood clot mania. Can not say what? What? Silent is silent. Silence over here. And them win blood clot Grammy in a few journal music. Uno not even win blood clot Grammy in a few journal. But what? Them a win blood clot Grammy. You see me I say brother, Jamaicans now win Grammy in that. Barely. You can count too much Jamaicans have a fucking Grammy. And every year. And every year, brother, the fucking reggae category out there, brother. And you can count how much Jamaicans have a Grammy for the father. You see me? And that fucked up. And that's say you fucked up, bad man. Because you are going to say, when you look at all of them dancers, you hear some Chronics and Protege, them a play, Kabaka Pyramid, them make you all a vibes. You feel me a deal with burn out your weed and them look weird and a deal with the thing cool. Me now could have never burn a spliff and listen to them the white blood clot boy that DJ to me. Oh! What them boy they know about his struggle? What them boy they know about dumpling and butter? What them boy they know about the blood clot mystic who if you go through a yard? None of them know about no struggle. When we come a foreign, the struggle them a yard different from yourself. Allow me to tell Ratty, them boy they can't blood clot talk to his father. For no struggle, our struggles are different thing. That's why we make reggae music. Pussy, when you feel like you don't want to deal with something, you don't go sing some R&B, and that you don't be no do all of phone life. When we go through struggles and pain and sorrow, what we do? We go sing a one song and say, yo, you feel like me I deal with? Rise up this morning. You feel like me I deal with? We are the mystic. What are we are listen reggae music? Reggae music is a life. You hear that soda? I don't know what journal music, bitch. Everybody talk about reggae is a journal music. Reggae is a life. Even Bob Marley tell you that. Reggae is a way of life. Like the Jamaican way. Our powerful music that. For the powerful music as souls are R&B. And we love you with it. Make you keep it. We love you, make you keep it. Make you keep it we want to know. Look how we lick a bit. We can't even keep jerk chicken. Me go in a blood clot Walmart, I see jerk chicken in a bag. What's a great value? Ratty, me not even laugh. When you look on that, that is a shame and embarrassment. Remember when you saw you eat the piece of jerk there? Or what is? So, it's like them no business with them teeth in a Ratty. Them just teeth because they're dead. We don't have no copyrights to nothing. You can't step up our music and deal with it like that. And everybody win. But when we take up phone music, why me have to use Shenseea as a plain blood clot example, you know? She have an album full of rapper and it not go nowhere. But one time Drake take up a album and turn that in a straight dancehall #1 for weeks. When Rihanna does it, weeks that they are #1 a kick it down. But one time you, Shensia, sing with all of them rappers, you not get one hit song, your album flop. You not even could have sell 1,000 in the first week. Eh? And that's how the shame come, youth. And that's how the shame come. If you know say you can take away and sell millions. And one time you get a girl to put all out up on her album, she flop. She know what I say she flop. She knows her album flop. Two of the album flop, brother. Coffee come out with her album with just she. Sell more than that. Drop number 9 on the UK charts, brother. Me not tell you about the UK reggae charts, on the UK charts, brother. The big charts. Mama drop in her album, drop in a number blood clot 9. History. So you tell me now. We not run down the wrong thing. Because if you have all of them on an album and you flop, I want reggae girls sing just so reggae and a beat out your bumbo clock without even one feature. No feature she not have on her album, brother. Just so plain reggae. It'll sell millions. And you have to say, Rascal, and she don't even have a feature upon there. Just straight authentic reggae. She never did have to go for Megan, she never did have to go for Tiger, she never did have to go for Offset, she never did have to go for nobody. But when them come for we, them sell off. Sell off. But when we go for them, what we do? Flop. Plain, you know, we eat the right test. And even eat now, talk facts, you know. You wouldn't expect a dancehall artist with so much art rapper where I make millions up here now, Cobra. You wouldn't expect you have them for one album and it flops up. See, not a bumbo. Instant riches more than think it be. Because when you put weep on one blood clot R&B single, a sure blood clot hit. Remember, you know? You got the nice thing. Remember, Drake have 2 albums and sell millions. Dancehall music. Dancehall music. But one time, you think that you could have go take up some Wally for Yankee and put on an album, one key album. It flop. It flop. Not one hit song not upon it. Nobody not hear your album. America not see you. And you go for the whole of them stars them. Half Set, 21 Savage, Megan Stallion, the whole of them. And what? I know your blood clot. Your album can't even go through cracker one blood clot. I know. But one time they take we and we use we. Brother, you don't remember the Drake album there? The man they are #1 for the whole year, father. With the dancehall album there. Control of the whole of them. One dance. I need one dance. Got anything in my hand. Our one, our style, our flow, our movement, our feeling, our way of life. And what? We lose. She put them on her album and flop. And one time them put you on album for them go sky high. So you're not teaching a blood clot lesson. You're not teaching her something. What is for them are for them. And what is for we are for we. Load them with it. Load them with it. And stop feel blood clot honored. One time they come and talk about say, yo, when you come do a song with we, no? Because one time they do a song with uno flop. For them blood clot feature, no do nothing for dancehall. I want to feel feature, do something for them hip hop. You understand what I say, dog? And that's how it hurt. I know mama can't even jump on the blood clot billboard with so much rap up on your album. I mean not talk about reggae billboard, everybody go up on that. Me not talk about billboard. At 100, I have every rapper where you can think of. I said amigos them make the money right now, you know, brother, them rich, you know. And not even them can make you clap the at 100. But them your boy, yeah, when them soda, what we don't know from now, what we never hear yet, can come win a reggae category, friend. Yeah. And that's what I heard, you know. Because Your little album we have with them wall if a rapper there, it can never go on the blood clot hip hop category. Never. It a go right in a dance in a reggae category go lose. You see me I say? Because that the album they can't go beat blood clot coffee album. So you already lose. With all of the rapper they on there, what is supposed to make your album better. But them your money can just stack up our thing and win all Grammy with it. You see me I say easy? And that's how me vex, you know. Because you take up for them style bless and you can't get nothing out of it, not even a Hot 100 blood clot feature. Not even a Hot 100 feature you cannot get out of it. The only thing you get out of it is a blood clot lawsuit. And them your blood clot, hurry come up rascal ya. Bobo blood clot dread. You don't have a dread to be rasta and them the man they are with. Oh, you beat Morgan Heritage. Oh, you beat Morgan Heritage, my father. From what you say, Grumps Morgan. That a Morgan Heritage, brother. Morgan Heritage bigger than all the way we sit down right there, my father, and turn up right there. That a Morgan Heritage. And them man they give you the real reggae when time Bob them gone, my father. You see me, I say youth? You see me? Man like Garnet Silk never win a Grammy yet. Big international man like Berries never win one of them dirty Grammy yet. And Berries song go sing great music. You see me? Yes. Right now Grammy, you need to take that with toe, fish and blood clot, bammy and name that bumbo clot. Sanchez. All of them big artists there. Buju Banton. Marcia Griffiths and them bumbo clot two man there. One of the songs them what she sing in a show to this day. You can feel it. It's electric. Boogie, woogie, woogie. Bumbo clot. All the Yankee them. What they hear them on blood clot soul train. That's one of the songs them want to play. Marcia Griffiths. You see me? Brother. You see all G. But one time when you look.